Here we are, Dagger 1-3. In 3 mics, you'll enter Gibraltar airspace. This place has been fought over for centuries. Now Pax Armada have opened that wound after NATO's kept it safe for decades. And there's no way we're letting them have it without a fight.
Dagger, this is Pax's ballsiest play yet. If they succeed, they will have secured the most strategic rock in the history of warfare. The British Squad Lancer are already on deck and in position. Hey, Devil Dogs! Want to help our friends take back this rock? Hoorah! 1 minute! Dills, you hearing me?
Got you 5x5. Send it.
On final approach, looking good.
Copy that. Phase 1's complete. Artillery's pummeled the rock, weakening Pax's defense systems. We've cleared the way for Phase 2. First objective is to rendezvous with Lancer, push through and provide sniper coverage so they can neutralize the radar asset. From there, it's a short hump to Pax's anti-air defense, our second objective. Once down, Command can launch Phase 3. Bravo element will land on the rock with you and move on their objective. Happy landings, Dagger. Mills out.
Never a dull moment on this fucking team. Ready for this?
Always faithful, always forward.
All right, Gecko. Let's introduce Dagger to the rock. Radio check. You with us, Lancer?
Reading you loud and clear, Dagger. We're waiting for you at the link-up point.
Copy that. We good?
On your 6.
Dagger, we're pinned down! There's a Pax checkpoint. We need to take out the MG nest ASAP!
Copy. We're on our way then. MG counterpart. Send it when you're ready.
On it. Clean hit.
Lancer, MG is down.
Roger! Lancer, push up!
Weapons free.
Area clear!
On me. Let's move.
Good to have you in the fight, Dagger. Radar station's up the hillside. We'll approach through the cave system. Main road's too exposed.
Roger. Let's hustle then.
Not even a week and Pax are already heavily entrenched. The ship packs have stirred up. Shipping lanes, trade routes. Takes a lot of nerve to make a play like this.
They're sparking old feuds for a reason. Fracturing long-standing alliances. Whoever's putting the bill wants to shake up the world and throw it on its axis.
Radar station ahead. Alternating bounding at the gate. Get into position. Don't hang around. We won't wait for you.
Copy. Overwatch position ahead.
Copy.
Lancer, we're in position. Roger, what are you seeing? Infantry at the gatehouse, 30 meters. More on the road further back. Stand by.
Gecko, show me why you're on the team. Send. Engaging! Lancer, push forward!
Roger that, engaging. Area secured. Advancing on the radar station now. Dagger, take position in the tower.
Tracking. We got your back. Second position. On me.
Copy that.
Mills, you copy?
Loud and clear, Dagger 1-3. Sit rep.
We're on the X. Moving to an Overwatch position. You'll know when we start slinging rounds downrange.
Good work, Dagger 1-3. Report back once the station's down. Mills out.
Onward and upward. Contact! Dagger, we need you! Get up that tower now!
Hustle, Gecko! Up the tower!
Multiple tangos ahead, over!
Focus on the high-pile target and direct threats to Lancer.
Copy.
We're set in position. Over.
Copy that! We're pushing up now! Give us some cover!
Gecko, shoot her at the main structure. Don't let her get a beat on us. Weapons free. Target, mid-layer of the dome. Take them out. Infantry, covered by the forklift. Smoke them.
Clean. Shoot her down.
Vehicle incoming. Lancer, find cover. Gecko, got it. Move that threat.
Hold the line! Reloading!
We got an RPG. Main structure. Stay low and keep moving. We got a helo inbound, Lancer.
Roger that!
Reloading!
Reinforcements. Get into position! Keep up the fight, Marines! Push forward!
Dagger 1-3, we're at the structure now. Setting charges.
Got him to the target. Clean kill. Sit rep, Lancer.
We're clear, seeking cover. Stand by. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Firing now. Target destroyed. Thanks for the assist, Dagger. En route to secondary objective.
Likewise, Lancer. Heading to the tunnels now. Good luck. Dagger out. Let's roll.
Moving.
Incoming artillery! Get clear!
Move now! Through the tunnel!
Dagger, do you copy? Repeat, Dagger 1-3, do you copy?
Lancer, this is Dagger 1-3. Reading you.
Wait for the... Oh,
Lancer, you're coming in broken. down!
Down!
Yeah. Go white light. Lancer, you read me? What's your status? Damn it!
We're a military powerhouse and the radios are still pieces of junk.
Well, at least these tunnels will give us cover to move on the AAAs. Come on. Let's get to the exit. Light ahead. Caution.
The strategic importance of Gibraltar.
Clear. Looks like we're on the right track.
Remember this from the briefing. Underground World War II museum. Pretty cool, huh? Oh man, these guys were tough. No PMCs back in their day. You know any mercs?
Been on joint ops with them, and a few I served with signed up, but Pax... Nah, nobody I know would stoop that low.
Got some equipment here.
Pax must be using the tunnels. Take it. Could be useful.
Which took place during the American Revolutionary War.
Careful. Weapons ready. Contact!
Reloading!
Target eliminated.
Initiate contact! Target sighted! Both wounded here!
Reloading!
Go, go, go! Grenade, get down! Shotgun!
Reloading!
Initiate contact!
Area clear.
Which way?
Exit's down. Help me with the elevator.
Dropping chem light.
Yeah, looks good. Hook up.
Descending.
Mills, copy.
Good to hear you're in one piece, Dagger.
We're through the tunnel system. Moving on the objective now.
Understood. Report back when Pax's anti-air is down. Mills out.
Lancer, this is Dagger 1-3. How copy?
Reading you loud and clear. You've been sightseeing.
Encountered some tourists, but we're still on track.
Glad to hear it. We've reached our target area. Holding position.
Copy. We'll signal shortly.
I'll put the kettle on. Out.
This is it. Scout the area. Engage the enemy at will. C-Ram's key to Pax's strategy. Neutralize the target.
Understood.
Lancer, we're in position.
Engaging now.
I'll cover you.
Shotgunner down!
Enemies here! Enemy sighted at 40 meters!
Engineer, KIA! Reloading!
We gotta push forward. Now neutralize that AAA. Spare sniper rifle here.
Launching frag!
Echo, we need to push on that
Launching frag! Sometimes.
Dagger, be advised! We spotted PAX reinforcements moving on your position!
Smoke! Copy. Gecko More Company is on its way. We dig in here. Get on that. Lancer, status update, over.
Held up by PAX! One click from the target area!
We ain't done yet.
No, sir.
Let's move. On me.
What's your sit rep? With those air defenses still active, the full assault can't happen.
We're about to link up with Lancer and push on. 2 more left.
We've got allied forces on the horizon waiting for your signal.
The skies will be clear, Mills. Count on that.
Make contact once they are. NATO's counting on it.
No pressure then?
That's why.
Dagger 1-3, we're taking heavy fire! What's your status?
Lancer, we're coming from the slope to your south. Check your fire.
Copy that! Good to see you, cowboy!
Target that building. Clear him out.
Got an RPG here.
Hit that building. Open it up.
Area clear! Thanks again.
No problem. We got 2 more emplacements still firing, though. You ready?
We are. Once more onto the breach. Lancer, advance.
Ammo crate. Resupply. Launcher, if you need it.
Contact! Lancer, engage!
Roger, engaging.
I'm out! Fuck! Friendly down! We need suppressive fire!
Line them up! Flak is down, Lancer. You're clear to proceed.
Pushing on to the last AAA!
Gecko, use that. Take it out.
Solid hit! Targeted target eliminated!
We gotta push through to that last AAA.
Advance on that gun! We'll cover you! We've got you, Dagger 1-3! Let's get you clear of the AAA!
Let's take this last AAA down.
Shotgunner down! Reloading!
We've cleared the AO of Pax. Now we can take down our last target.
Better take this! C4 set.
That's what I call fucking teamwork.
Just like Operation Angry Sea in 2020. Air's clear. Let's give them the signal. Gonna go pop smoke!
That was too fucking close!
I don't know what's more impressive. You, firepower.
Good work, Marine. Airspace is clear. You just got us a foothold in this fight. Lopez and Murphy are on the USS Macon off the coast of Gibraltar. Hemlock, a specialized skills officer, will be contacting them now.